Hello YouTube. Here I am today is day 5 post-op from my artificial disc replacement surgery. Once again I had those at level C6-C7 and C7-T1. Was done with the Mobi-C device. Start out from where I left off last night. Went to bed shortly after I made my video last night. Once again stayed in the recliner. Slept all night with no kind of issues. Got up this morning about 8 o'clock. Very minimal pain when I woke up. Got up and done some things around the house. Was able to do a little laundry. Washed some dishes. Caught up on some schoolwork. Did some studying. Done some of my physical therapy exercises that I'm supposed to be doing. A fairly active day. I went through till about 1 this afternoon. Before I got to the point where I was like, well, I need a little something for my pain. So, like I said, fairly pain-free for most of the beginning of the day. So I finally took something about 1. Went to my son's t-ball practice at 6 this afternoon. Didn't have any issues there. Some of the big changes today from yesterday. When I woke up, I had zero, no sore throat. That was awesome. It was gone pretty much yesterday. I kind of wondered whenever I went to bed last night if I'd wake up and be back again, but there's no sore throat. There's a little bit of a feeling in my throat on this side over here, the side that the incision was made. Almost like there's a lump there. Not quite sure what that's from. I'm sure it's probably just inflammation of the tissue where they went in. But no pain. No pain as far as swallowing food and stuff like that. I do have some pain still around the shoulder blades. Still some right there on the spinal region of my neck. One thing I noticed today versus yesterday, when I sit down and I get up, it's a lot more comfortable today, or less painful as far as like the jarring from moving whenever you get up and then sit back down. Also, probably less fatigue today. I actually wanted to get up and do more today versus yesterday. Made me some notes here. I did a good bit of my PT exercises, which ain't much, but basically the 3 movements that physical therapy told me to be working on, which was from the chin to the chest area, then doing the looking from side to side, and then the flexing like this and like that. Chin to the chest, not that bad. Some pain in the spinal region when you go all the way down, which I'm not supposed to go down to a point of discomfort, just where I start getting a little resistance. Looking side to side, got a good bit of range of motion on that, more than I had yesterday. The flexing like this and that, that's still a little difficult. It's more of a tight, almost like a pulling sensation whenever I tried to do that. Not really pain, but it's definitely some tightness there. Overall, definitely less pain today. Injection site right here, which not much. Same thing I had yesterday, just the steri strips there. I guess over the next 4 or 5 days those will eventually come off. But as far as pain right there at the injection site, don't really have a whole lot of pain there today. Big thing I noticed today, probably my most happy point of the day, was no tingling in my hands today. Every day for the last 7, 8, 9 months, I've had tingling in my hands. Didn't have any of that today. May have them tomorrow, but I didn't have it today. So that makes me think that the surgery is working. Can't tell a whole lot still about my back in the shoulder blade area because it's still real sore. I'm sure a lot of that is from surgery, but I think we're definitely progressing and moving forward. So tomorrow I will update on day 6 post-op, and we'll see how that goes. Thanks.